Feeling tired for no reason? Struggling with low energy, mood swings, or even hair loss? If yes, then you might be dealing with a vitamin D deficiency. But you are not alone. Let's explore the warning signs your body gives you, and then talk about easy ways to get more vitamin D through your food and lifestyle. First, the symptoms you should watch out for. Fatigue. Constant tiredness, even after a good night's sleep, can be a major sign of low vitamin D levels. Joint pain. Achy knees, hips, or back. It might not just be aging, it could be your body asking for more vitamin D. Hair loss. Losing more hair than usual, especially in patches, is often linked to nutrient deficiencies, including vitamin D. Unexplained weight gain. If your diet hasn't changed much but the scale keeps going up, a vitamin D imbalance could be a factor. Depression. Low vitamin D has been strongly linked to low mood and seasonal depression, especially in the winter months. Mood swings, irritability, anxiety, or emotional ups and downs can all be connected to low D levels. Bone loss. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption. Without it, bones become weak and brittle. Muscle cramps or weakness, struggling with muscle pain, twitching, or nighttime cramps? Another red flag. Now the good news. Vitamin D is easy to get if you know where to find it. Here are 6 simple sources to boost your vitamin D naturally. Sunlight. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day of sunlight on your skin helps your body produce its own vitamin D. Tuna. This fish is not only great for your heart, but also packed with vitamin D. Yogurt. A delicious source of calcium and vitamin D, especially when fortified. Oranges. Some orange juices are fortified with vitamin D. Plus, they're rich in immune-boosting vitamin C. Butter. In moderation, natural butter contains small amounts of vitamin D. Eggs, especially the yolks, full of vitamin D and other essential nutrients your body needs. Vitamin D might be a small nutrient, but it plays a big role in your energy, mood, bones, and overall well-being. If you're noticing any of the symptoms, try adding these foods to your diet. And don't forget a little sunshine each day. If this video helped you, leave a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong.